Hello, welcome to the channel. This is an update on the garden. You can see the tomatoes are coming in really nice. This is about 8 weeks in. If you can see, like this, the tomatoes, more over here. Right here, coming in good. The beans are starting to bud. If you can see, the green peppers are starting to come on in, slowly but surely. You can see a little buds right here. Now we're by the potatoes. If you can see the plants right here, here, and here. More beans here, more buds. We have 2 rows of beans. This is the size of the corn. You can see it's really big. And this is pretty much 8 weeks in with the garden. It's growing really well. Thank you for watching and tuning in. Stay safe and everybody have a good day. See you in the next one.